So there we are. What have I got here going? I'm trying this all again. I haven't done this yet. Okay, so here we are. I have my ZI8 and my Logitech C930E both running at the same time. And let me put this here. And let me now get going the audio hijack, and that should make us a better sound. So we're recording three different ways, and here we go. I don't know how the phone booth works actually. I think phone booth is actually using the Logitech's audio. The ZI8 is using its audio without any external mic, and we are going to get two mics on me, so I must say that's getting a little difficult. And there we are. This is testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm hoping that this looks okay. Okay. So, that's that. So, what did we learn? I think we learned that the ZA8 has a warmer picture, but in low light, well, it needs good light, so I'm not sure how it would work compared to your Brio. The Brio might be better. My Logitech C930 has a very washed out look and has odd mic effects. Mixed audio is far and away the best, so I'm putting my two mics through a mixer. I suggest that we figure some way to do that for you. At least get a mic on you, so a lavalier at least, and it should go into all the things. So how do we do that?